Hey my LP Nation, sorry I'm being a bit late, but today you're getting 2 videos, so let's go with video number 1 or number 31 in our 365 videos challenge, and it's Freelance 101. I'm going to talk the basics about contests. So let's roll. Thank you for joining. It's great to be here again with you. Let's roll. What's up my LP Nation? Welcome to another episode of Freelance 101. It's an episode 5 and we will talk about contests on freelancer.com. So let's go straight ahead. And I will shortly explain the difference between contests and projects. So projects, basically, I explained in the episode, you bid on them. It's like a proper job post, you bid on it, and if the employer likes your bid, your budget, your timeline, he will award you the project, and project is yours. You solely work on the project. But in contests, there is no guarantee. So contests are advised as means for beginners to hone their skills without shame, because when you give in the contest entry, when you submit the contest entry, there is no consequence on your rating. You can get like an F or 1 stars out of 5 and it will not be visible on your profile. So contests are awesome for practicing. On the other hand, there is no guarantee that you will win the contests, of course, because there are like hundreds of people handing in their work. But if you win it, you get the money. And another incentive is, if you win the contest, you will most likely get 5 stars from the client. So, and it will be visible on your profile. So there are no bad consequences. The only bad consequence is that you're working and there is no guarantee you're going to be paid. But it's an awesome tool to practice your skills. It's awesome for any kind of design, be it graphic, video production, media, doesn't matter. Awesome practicing tool. I even won 1 contest in my career when I was a beginner. I won $125. It was an intro logo, so I was practicing After Effects. So yeah, it's a good tool. Now let's go. I will show you how to submit an entry in the contest. Let's go. This is not going to be a long video, so I will go quickly. You go to browse, pick contests, Slowpoke site. This is another pro tip. Always look for the contests that have guaranteed tag on them. Guaranteed means if you win the contest, you will get the money. So the money is locked in. And if you're in a rush, if you want to do some fast designs, you can always find the contests that are marked urgent. NDA and private tags, for example, mean that you have to sign a non-disclosure agreement. Private also means that all the other entries are not visible, so it's only visible to the contest holder. Okay, this is a guaranteed contest, making graphics, image and video for a delivery app. It's only $30, so you should only take these contests that are this when the price pool is so low. It's an awesome thing for a beginner, but don't waste too much time on them, okay? Only use it for practice, like spend, I don't know, 15-30 minutes on a contest that is like $30 worth. It's not worth your time. Or it's okay if you want to practice for free, but if you want to earn like money, you have to be quick. But if you're a beginner, you're not quick. So I don't recommend doing too much of these contests, or too many of them, to be specific. So yeah, do 1, 2, 3 and that's it per day. Don't wear yourself down too much. Okay, another thing, I mentioned that some employers will put like a request to do image and a video, but you will only be able to upload like GIF, JPEG, PNG, etc. So what you will going to do, you will have two options. You can bookmark the contest and pick I will submit an entry later. You can do that if you want to like notify the employer that you're in but you're still working on it, or you will submit your entry right away. Okay, you see here all the categories. You have to put the title, let's say test, describe your entry, test, this entry is entirely my own, pick that. Then you will enter the price if you don't win the contest but employer changes his or her mind and want to buy off your entry. Put the price the same as the price pool, 30. Depending on your membership, you will have the option to highlight or seal and seal your entry. You can do both or just one. Sealing, it's explained here. Seal your entry to ensure your idea is unique. It's a great tool. It's better to seal your entries if you can, because other people won't be able to copy your entry. This is very important, most important, basically bonus if you want to use it. And here you will browse the files, and I will just do this. I will enter this one. Okay, this is a test. And you will, this is internet submit entry. That's it. Now you can always get back to your entry and you can write a comment. Here goes the link. If it's a video entry, here you will put the link to your video. Okay? You can always get your friends to like it. You can share it on social media. It gives your employer like a positive pressure. And you can comment here and ask questions. One additional thought, my LP Nation, always protect your work. Before the contest handover, before you win the contest, never hand over the work that is not protected. Protected meaning you must put a watermark. Watermark is like your logo that is a bit transparent, and you will put it over your work so the employer cannot steal your work before awarding you the contest or proclaiming you as a winner of the contest. Okay, I will show in my next After Effects video how to put a watermark. You will see it on my After Effects playlist. So this is basic 101 freelance contests. Thank you.
If you like this video, also don't forget to sub. It means really a lot. I know I'm a bit boring with this sub, but yeah, that's a sign that you support my work. Thank you very much, my LP Nation, and see you in the next episode of Online Skills That Pay the Bills. It was your guy, LP.
I'm not sure.